Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Hyundai Accent, powered by a 1.6-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency for getting around. But let's take a look inside, or whatever you want to throw in there. And looking into the back seat, where you have seating for 3, so you can bring along your friends and family. Looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the car with it running, you can see it's sitting at 102,265 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls, and on the left you have your hands-free radio controls, as well as having your phone controls down at the bottom. And to the left you have your eco mode and your traction control shut off. And moving on to your center, your Infotainment Center, which is radio, Sirius, CD, auxiliary, and Bluetooth capable, so you have a ton of options here for whatever you want to listen to. You have your hazards and your rear defrost, and then you have your climate controls, pretty simple here, as well as having heated front seats with 2 levels so you can stay warm. Down below you have this cubby area with a 12-volt USB and auxiliary, so you can plug something into your power or charge, or hook up your audio from there. And then you have your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, 2 cup holders, your parking brake, and then your center compartment / armrest, which is relatively spacious inside for all of your stuff, and can be slid back and forth to act as an armrest, of course. And last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top, so you can lay in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.